Hi, I'm Jessica Skarzinski for CURE Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here are the top 5 CURE stories for December 2018. Number 5. Lynparza significantly delays ovarian cancer progression. In this story, we take a look at a recent study that found maintenance treatment with Lynparza after chemotherapy significantly extended progression-free survival in newly diagnosed patients with advanced ovarian cancer. Number 4. Stumbling through the holidays. During the holiday season, emotions are not an either-or proposition when it comes to metastatic cancer, as CURE contributor Martha Carlson discusses in this piece. Number 3. Podcast, When Fear Flips. In this episode of the CURE Talks Cancer podcast, listen as we chat with Olympic gold medalist and cancer survivor Scott Hamilton about how he learned to use cancer as a motivation to do better in the world. Number 2. Good things come in threes. Patients with metastatic, hormone-driven breast cancer now have 3 more treatment options with a new class of drugs that has seen 3 approvals in recent years. Learn more about them in this piece. And number 1, managing the cost of cancer. The costs that come with cancer treatment can place a heavy burden on some patients and their families, often leading to stress-related illnesses. Is there a solution? CURE contributor Bonnie Annis examines the cost of cancer in this story. As 2018 comes to a close, we thank you for trusting CURE as your source for cancer updates, research, and education. We look forward to bringing you even more of the stories you enjoy in 2019 and beyond. And as always, for links to all of our top stories and more, visit curetoday.com.